Hey guys, welcome to What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. This is going to be super short because I don't have, it's more of a life update and what's new in my life, not necessarily scrapbooking, but I hope what it does is actually allow me to find more crafting time. I finally did it and announced to my current job that I will be leaving in July, which is very bittersweet. I've been there for 10 years and I've been doing working in healthcare for almost 15. I've been focused on healthcare since I left high school. So it's definitely bittersweet. But I am starting a new job and I will be working at my son's school. So what I'm hoping comes from this, and yes, no, this was not an easy decision, so before people like, I don't even know who's gonna watch this, but before people are like, oh my gosh, you're leaving healthcare to work in a school, it's very important to me. The school is 5 blocks from my house. I don't know if you guys know gas prices. No one knows when that's gonna end, so that's a big factor. And I've been struggling with healthcare, working with COVID. Everything kind of got harder and more difficult and more frustrating, and some other things. And even before that, I was noticing that healthcare and I were not simpatico. I love what I do. I'm good at what I do, but I need a break. And so I think this is the break, and for a lot of positive reasons that I need. And I have a feeling that I'm going to mentally be able to find more time to craft, which makes my heart and soul happy. And I physically will not be getting as stressed out and hurt and not be able to have the time to craft. So I'm hoping in general, this for my life, my son's life, my family's life, this is going to be all positive. Yeah, so that is my What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner for this week. Very, very short. Wanted to do at least one face-to-face. I'm hoping next Sunday I can do a face-to-face as well. This one is getting posted late because I'm literally doing it right now. Like, it's posting probably 20 minutes after I film it. So, it is our town's festival days today. You've seen me scrap a lot of that lately if you've been watching my channel. So we're going to go have some fun out in the hot, hot sun. And we're going to go get some waffles. And we're going to ride rides today. We're going to go to church outside in a tent. We're going to probably eat some fried food because that's my goal. And hopefully not get sunburnt or too hot and cranky. So, I hope you guys all have a fabulous weekend. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a supporter. And cheers to hopefully not being late posting things, because I know I have like 3 things I haven't posted that I was supposed to, that I plan to this week. They will get done when we come cool off. I will be posting some for today. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and let you know what's new. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.